Hello, barkeep.
Oh, hello there, sir.
I'm cold day. Fixing up for something.
Oh, yeah. Well, I've got just the thing for you.
What's that?
How about a brandy and soda?
Oh, I love a good B&S.
Right? Sound good? All right. Well, I've got some of the stuff right here. Let me just put this together. Oh, wait a second. Oh, no. I'm sorry.
That doesn't look like brandy.
No, this is Chekhov's Malort.
Chekhov's Malort. What is that?
Well, when this shows up, now we have to make the drink. I'm sorry, sir. This is all we can do.
I've run into Chekhov's Malort several times. Whenever I've been at a party and somebody brings in Malort and they put it on the table, you know it's there for some kind of plot development.
It always is. Well, okay, there's nothing to do but to do it. Let's go.
I am absolutely dreading this.
You should be. 2 ounces of Malort.
Oh, it's like a gut punch of Malort.
That's actually the correct unit for 2 ounces of Malort. This is one gut punch of Malort. We're gonna round out with some Chekhov.
Oh, okay. I guess.
I hope you like vegetal.
Who doesn't?
We're gonna do a half ounce of.
A half a gut punch.
It's actually half an artichoke. That's
Yeah, right.
All right.
Oh, I can smell it.
We got some bitters though.
Okay.
Because it isn't strong enough already.
It's strong enough
We're gonna do
flavor.
some mole bitters.
All right.
We'll do 2 dashes.
Have you tried this?
No, I have not. I'm just stir it.
Stir it well. It's got to be cold.
There's a special drinking vessel.
Is that cast iron?
That is.
Up top. Ugh.
Here, wait. You need a spritz of absinthe on the top.
Ugh. Thank you. To your
You can actually.
oh, to your good health.
Yours as well.
Oh, that's strong. That's not the best.
Well, thank you for joining us on Drink Responsibly January.
Thank you. We'll see you some other time.